D says duh, dinosaur.
Let's dance with our letters.
Apple, round and red. Dance, dance, move your head. B, 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 banana, shake with me. 1, 2, 3, whee! C, C, car goes vroom, vroom, vroom. D, D, dinosaur, stomp, 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 stomp. E, E, elephant, big and slow. Swing your trunk and go, go, go. Again. Again.
Hi, my little friends. How are you? I'm so happy you're here.
Listen carefully. A says ah. Can you say ah with me? Wow, look what came to visit us. Should we open it together? Say it with me. Open.
Apple starts so small, just a seed beneath. Sun so warm and rain so free, help the seed grow. Apple on the tree, growing there for you.
Farmers take such good care of apples. A says ah. Apple, you did amazing. Woo! Earth to space, grass, another acorn. Are you ready for our next adventure? I wonder what's hiding inside this one.
Uh-oh. Apple joined the party.
A says ah. Apple. B says b, b, banana.
Apple in, banana too. Shake, shake, power just for you. Red and yellow, mix it right. Strong and happy day and night.
This shake gives us super play power. Cheers, my little dancers. Dance done. Ready for the next acorn?
I hear a sound.
Listen carefully. The letter A says ah. Can you say it with me? Should we open it together? Listen carefully. B says buh. Can you say buh with me? Open, open.
Baby banana starts so small, growing gently green and tall. Sun so bright and rain so sweet, help bananas grow to eat. Bee, 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 banana on the tree, growing there for you and me.
Farmers take such good care of bananas. B says boo. Banana. You did amazing.
Yay! Let's make a banana shake.
Boo, boo, banana.
B says boo.
Peel it, yellow and sweet. Banana power makes us beat. Pour it in and shake, shake, shake. Banana fun is what we make.
Shake it! Shake it! Woo! Bananas help us jump, run and play all day. So yummy and so strong. Dance freeze. You did it. Nogs. Ready for another acorn?
Ooh, another magic acorn. I wonder what's hiding inside this one. Shall we open it together? Friends, say the magic word with me. Open. Wow, a little car.
Cars go vroom vroom. Can you say k like car?
Car goes vroom, zooming fast, no time to gloom. Big or small, it rolls along. Car goes vroom, zooming fast, no time to gloom. Big or small, it rolls along. Car, sing our song.
Cars help us go places, but we always stay safe. C says k. Car, you did great. Ooh, ready for the next acorn? Ooh, this one looks big. D says do, do, do,
Do, do, dinosaur so small. Wiggle tail and say hello all. Stomp, stomp, hear them roar. Da, da, Dino, want some more.
Let's stomp like dinosaurs. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Dinosaurs lived long, long ago. They don't live with us now. D says duh, dinosaur. Amazing job. Ready for the next acorn? Let's keep going.
Elephant so small. Flappy ears and trunk says call. Stomp, stomp, walk so slow, slow. Elephant, hello.
Can you walk like an elephant? Stomp, stomp. Good job. Elephants are the biggest land animals, and they love their families. E says, elephant, you're doing amazing. Another acorn. Ready to open it together?
Yay! Let's go to the kitchen. I have a yummy idea.
Apple, banana, yum, yum, yum. Healthy food makes bodies strong. Apple helps my heart go beat, keeps my tummy clean and sweet. Banana gives me energy, jump and run, wee, 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 wee. Apple, banana, friends so true, healthy, yummy, just like you.
Let's mix them together.
Mix, mix, mix it slow. Healthy snacks help children grow.
Apple and banana. So yummy and so healthy. Ooh, what should we discover next?